So if you saw the Southwick tire installed, this same method I'm going to do. I'm going to do the tubeless method, but we're putting a normal tube in. Oh yeah. I want to get my gloves so I don't bang my hand on the sprocket or the rotor. This is definitely a stiff sidewall tire. So I think what I'm going to have to do is spoon it on. There we go. Going in. She in. She in. Now you take out the plate. Decide what side you don't want to hit your knuckles on. That's why I'm wearing gloves. I'm going to go ahead. It's already lubed up this side. I'm going to go. You know, one thing I didn't do again, I didn't cut the dang hole out. I'll go ahead and get this on, drop it past the hole like I did on the front, and go ahead, trim out the hole. It's not my day with those holes. I kept forgetting. Oh, yeah. Woo-wee. Okay, smaller bite. It's a stiff tire. There's no joke about it. There we go. Got one side on. Then you take the little fishing line. You shove it through like so. Okay, like so. And then you'll find it, you pull it out, you screw that end on, and then you start putting this all back in. See, came right through, just like that. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm not fighting it. I do need that other nut, so I'm gonna go get one. So you undo this fishing tool to get it. You put on your nut before you do anything, so you don't lose your valve stem. Again, go ahead, make it as tight as you can with your fingers. And then start putting your tube in. I'm going to want the tire lube because we already know this is a stiff tire, and I'm just going to kind of do everything. I'm going to assume it's going to be otherwise a pain in the butt to seat this bead. This way, that bead should slide into place. Let's hope. Now, definitely want to lube under here, under the bead, because when it's trying to slide down over the rim, you're going to want that lubed. Like I said, we already know this tire is extremely stiff. It's a stiff tire and it's a hard rubber than like I would typically run on a motorcycle for the riding I do. Okay, we got that good. Wipe off your hand, which it cleans your hand pretty nice too, by the way. Okay, I'm going to put on my gloves because we got a sprocket aiming right at us, And I'm going to even add a little more padding and just add this. So if I hit it, it's going to hurt, but it probably won't bleed. Okay, so we'll start on the opposite side of the valve stem to give us the best chance. Look, it's so stiff. Oh my God, that's just hilarious. I know, it's like I'm doing yoga and stuff when I do tires. I know, I have a Rabaconda and I could use that, and I sell Rabacondas. But you know what? I haven't used the Rabaconda, so... But who knows? We might end up over there, because this is a stiff tire. Let's see. My little things, will it go right on? I think I've just done so many tires that I understand these tire irons. They're small, but they work really good. There we go. Now it's getting hard. Whoa. Oh, shit. Let's put that one under that leg. Let's go over here. Okay. And see, I kind of hold it with my wrist. It is a technique to do tires. I mean, I personally wouldn't want to do it on the trail because it is harder. I feel like, knowing the rim dynamics, I feel like that needs to drop in the drop center more, but it's in there. I mean, it's down in. It's not like it's not. Oh, no, 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 no. Whew. Had to chase it. It was leaving me. It was coming undone. It's down in there. It's down in there. See, use the pointy end. Too far. And problem with the pointy end, you end up going too far. But we got it. We got it. Woo-wee. Now I'll go ahead and take my glove off. We'll go ahead, tighten this initially. Okay, we'll go ahead and start filling. So bead is popped on this side. That's why I lubed it all up. Bead is popped on this side. Wow, so we're good to go. See, when you lube them up like that, they'll pop. So that stuff will dry out and it won't make it spin. And these are light bikes. It's not going to spin on the rim. It could, I suppose, still in, at that point, maybe a rim lock should be added. Might be something we add on the next tire change or something. Once again, in this video, I'll scoot this back over, loosen your nut from the rim. We have 15. Perfect. I always, on my old tubes, keep the core and keep the valve stem cap. It's come on handy on a ride before. A long ride, guys, valve stem was leaking, so I was like, here, I have extra. Put a new one in, boom, we were good. So just like that, this nut to the top of the valve stem cap, because I explained in the front wheel video for the Southwick 2 for the Talaria Sting, this rim is bending and moving and warping. So you want things loose. There we go. That is done. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Please check out my other ones and y'all stay well. Take care, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.